In the previous video, we have shown you how to create shop page using WooCommerce on WordPress. And maybe this is very useful. You can make your WooCommerce product is using your own builder. On your product, you can add the item like image, text, or etc. and make your product is more dynamic. How to do that? First, you need to install the WooCommerce, and you can see the installation in our previous video. After you install the WooCommerce, you need to make sure your theme is support with custom product builder. You can using the themes like Cadence, for example. In here, we are using Cadence, and you can using another theme like WordPress or another theme. Okay, and we don't suggest you to using the default WordPress theme because usually it's not supported. Okay, and after you install the WooCommerce and you are using the supported themes, then you can try to install the custom product builder. Okay, you can copy this plugin name. The plugin is not very popular because this is just new plugin and it's just 200 installation, but I already tried it and it's very helpful, okay, to custom our product. You can go to the plugin section and choose add plugins. Okay, after you add the plugin, you can type in here custom product builder. Okay, if you are not appear, you can add the developer name WordPress. Okay, you can copy this and you can add in the last, okay, like this, because the plugin is not very popular. You can click install now. After that, make sure this is the right plugin by WordPress, and you can activate here. After you activate the plugin, you can see there is option you can auto update or skip this. Just you can skip. We don't need the auto update. We can manual update. Okay, and to creating the builder on our products, first go to your products menu and choose add new product here. After you add new product, for example, we will to create the health builder. Okay, just type health builder like this. After you add the title for your products, this is the description. Will your own health like this. This is just for example. And in here, we need to add the product image. Okay, I already upload my image. We have the head here and click set product image. And this is the most important thing. You need to enable this. Okay, just click this and click OK. After that, your product will be published. You can see. And this is still usual product. How to use this as custom builder? This is the key. Okay, you can upload your product image. Is our head. Okay, and the product builders is our secondary image that we can add to our primary image, or in this case is head. For example, I adding a shape like circle and square. We can select both here. Okay, then we can update our product. After we update our product, you can see we can view the product. Okay, then our product become the builder. What the mean is builder? You can click, for example, this shape. You can see now we can drag to our head, and customer can apply this and add to cart. Okay, and why the add to cart button is not appear? Because we forget to set the prices. For example, we add 60 and or $60. I mean, just click update after that. Then we can reload our health builder here. Just reload this, and voila, there is add to cart button. We can custom our product. Okay, we can add this and we can custom this. Okay, this is the free version. Have limited feature. You can see we can just only have one designer. Okay, the Pro is unlimited for designer. Okay, and that's how you can custom your product on WooCommerce WordPress. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.